Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is the simplest way to jazz up basmati rice. It's a jeera pulao. You won't believe how few spices go into this and how spectacular the end result is. So if this sounds good, please don't forget to hit the subscribe, like button, tell all your friends about me so you can support my work and help my channel grow. And then let's get cooking. I've brought a tablespoon and a half of ghee to heat on a medium fire here, and I'm going to pop in 1 star anise, a little scroll of cinnamon, and then 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Now, I like using ghee with pulao. I think it adds a wonderful butteriness, but of course you can always leave that out and use cooking oil instead. So you want that to sizzle very quickly before you add in about a cup of well-washed basmati rice. So this is about 210 grams of rice by my calculation. With pulao, any kind of flavored rice for Indian meals, you want to use the absolute best quality basmati because it holds its shape really well and stands up brilliantly to spices. Now is a good time to add a teaspoon of salt. You want roughly a teaspoon of salt for every cup of rice that you use. I'm going to add in some freshly boiled hot water. That's about 420 milliliters worth. So twice the amount of hot water in volume to the amount of rice you're going to use. We need to give this a little stir to just make sure all the grains are separate. Also scoop up any that are sticking to the side of the pan. And when that's done, we will just stick the lid on. And you also want to lower the heat and pop the timer on for about 12 minutes. In 12 minutes, switch off the heat, move that rice over to a cold hob for 5 minutes, and then take the lid off. And that's the pulao or jeera rice done. You'll be able to fluff it. I'm very confident here, so I've used a wooden spoon, but feel free to give it a little fluff with a fork first. This is so lovely, light, fluffy, easy to do, and it also looks incredibly beautiful on a table and so simple. Just look at that. Fantastic. Brilliant on a thali or just separately on its own. I hope you've enjoyed this and see you for the next one.